Good afternoon. My name is Frank McPhillips. This is the Precision Machining Tool and Die program at Prosser Career Education Center. It's a 2-year early college program. Students who are in this program have the opportunity to earn up to a full year of college while still in high school if they complete the 2-year program. From there, they have the opportunity to go to Vincennes University on the early college option and have a full year of college with room and board, tuition paid for if they maintain their grade level for free. It has the opportunity for a student to earn an associate's degree with basically no cost to a family. We are a program that offers the students hands-on learning a skilled trade that will allow them to be productive members of society for the rest of their lives and to be able to provide for a family and a career opportunities. They have the opportunity to continue university-wise. They also have the opportunity to leave high school and go into a career path for an apprenticeship as a tool maker, a mold maker, a machinist, a CNC programmer, which is CNC is computer numerical control applications. They may wind up in automotive, aerospace, medical. We have all that local. I have students in all the facilities. Currently, my entire senior class has more job offers than I have seniors for as of today. And this is the 1st of January in their first week. So it's a great opportunity. We offer work-based learning. Our junior year, all students will go out and participate in a job shadow in business and industry. Our senior year, the students will go out the first semester and they'll spend a week following everybody around in a facility. They may be in the engineering department, in the quality control, inspection, CNC, the tool room, mold shops, various applications, pattern makers, a lot of opportunities there. From there, they get an idea of what they really might want to go into and maybe even specialize in and continue. We come back into the classroom. We finish a series of projects through Vincennes for earning classes in general machining, a punch, a die, a mold. Senior project is right here. They make 100% out of raw material for a vise. Literally V-blocks and applications. Everything is ground to within 1/1000th of an inch. To give you an idea, is take a strand of hair on your head and divide it by 4. You'll have 1/1000th. We have the ability to measure both mechanical and with electronic devices. We have a CMM that allows us to measure to 100,000th of an inch. Very close. We can pick a part up and literally have the ability to hold it in our hands and it will expand because of our body temperature and the students can measure it. Series of projects here that continue on, mold project. So there's a lot of opportunities there. Students also compete skills. The Skills USA, the National Tooling and Machining. Sitting right here is the current state championship trophy that we won again. It's a traveling trophy, and currently we've won over 10 state titles in the last 20 years. So it's really nice for the students for scholarships and the ability to continue on school. 3 of our students are national winners that have placed in the top 3 in the nation. 1 silver and 2 bronze in the U.S. Olympics competition. It's a great opportunity for students to advance. Thank you.